how to transfer coin from Bitget to Binance. So first of all, open your Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. To be able to transfer a coin from Bitget to Binance, we need to go to Assets and now select the spot from the top bar and now click on Withdraw. And as you can see here, you have different coins that you can transfer. For example, the Bitcoin from that. Now after that, click on On-Chain Withdrawal. And now as you can see here, you can set the network first as the, or you can set it as the BIP20. So you can select the one that costs you less fee. Now to select your network, to get the withdrawal address of that token that you want to transfer to your Binance, we need to go to our Binance app and open it. Now after that, to get the withdrawal address of that coin that we can receive on our Binance account, just click on Assets and now select the spot from the top bar and now click on Deposit. Now in this case, we will receive the Bitcoin, so click on Bitcoin. And as you can see, set the network as you set it on the Bitget. Now in this case, it will be the BIP20. Now after that, you just copy the withdrawal address from your Binance account and now go back to your Bitget and you can paste it here in the withdrawal address box. So we'll just paste it here. So as you can see, so after you paste your withdrawal address, here you can type the amount that you can transfer of that coin, and after that tap on or click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your coin from Bitget to your Binance account. So this is how to transfer coin from Bitget to Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.